everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we are excited to present to you a unique and premium real estate investment opportunity, Hacienda del Oro. This property is located in Rancho del Oro in Ajijic, one of the most prestigious locations in the area. Hacienda del Oro comprises a versatile 23,000 square meters lot with expansive views of Lake Chapala. But what makes this property such a special investment opportunity? First, its premium location. This property is located on the highest buildable point in Ajijic, surrounded by luxurious residences. Second, its development potential. Hacienda del Oro is zoned H2-U and H3-V, making it perfect for high-end residential projects. Imagine a set of luxury villas overlooking the lake or an exclusive condominium complex in one of Ajijic's most desirable locations. Third, its existing infrastructure. The property includes a main house and 2 casitas, a solar power system and private road access, all ready for you to start building your dream. Fourth, its natural beauty. The property offers panoramic views of Mexico's largest freshwater lake, creating a serene and picturesque setting. Fifth, its privacy and security. With a gated entrance, security cameras, and a fenced perimeter, Hacienda del Oro is a safe and private haven. And finally, its sustainability. With solar panels and CFE certified transformers, the property is self-sufficient in terms of energy. In short, Hacienda del Oro is a rare gem. It offers the tranquility of a secluded estate and the possibility of a lucrative return on investment through exclusive residential development. If you are looking to invest in one of the most desirable areas of Ajijic, don't miss this unparalleled opportunity. If you would like more information or to schedule a visit, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one.